Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will make some cute and easy Valentine's Day DIY. For this project, you will need a wreath form shape of a heart, a chunky yarn, which mine is in a color white. I have leftovers, but I will try find it for you. I think Walmart still have it. I bought it a long time ago, but I have seen it at Walmart and I have seen it on Amazon. So I will link it in the description below for you if you are still looking for it. What I do right now, I am liking the work with a yarn in the small pieces so it doesn't get tangled, and I cut some section off and I wrapped it all the way around the wreath, securing it with the hot glue. Now, I like to make a big bow for this project, so I will be using my easy bow maker. And guys, this thing is amazing to make a big bow. But what I do, I put the ribbon through the big two dowels in between, and I measure the loops how big I want them to be. So mine are 5 inches long, and I did two loops on each side, which you make in a loop, then you twist. You push the ribbon through the middle, then you twist it again and make another loop. So what I like to do at the end, I lift my new bow just a little up off my bow maker and I stick a zip tie under it, and then I take the bow completely off and secure it before I release so my bow doesn't come apart. Now we attach the bow to the reef form, and I decide that it's missing something after I keep messing with it. I love my bow to be all nice, big, and fluffy, so I add red sparkly heart to the middle, and I thought it did the job. Next, what I did, I got this craft kit from my kids because they are not using it anymore, and of course you see that it's all falling apart, so I glued two little hearts together. But if you don't have that, the easy option to do this is a made out of felt, so you can cut two little hearts and recreate exactly the same. So, and the last piece of things that I added was two foam glittery red hearts. And we are done. Look how gorgeous this is. So for this project, you will need a kitchen towel, and I have purchased a bunch of those, and I think this in particular one was from Marshall's or TJ Maxx in one of those stores. I just kitchen towel junkie. I telling you, I have so many. My husband's like, "Oh my gosh, we have more towels now than we have the reef," and that should tell you something because I do love the reefs. So anyway, what we did here, we got the pizza pan as well because we're making a sign. And what I did, I measured like a circle around my pizza pan. I outlined it, cut it out, and then use my hot glue to secure the pizza towel, or now my design, to my pizza pan. And I worked in small pieces with the hot glue so it doesn't get all the chunky, or sometimes it bleeds through. So when I was done gluing that, I used the nautical rope. You can get it in any crafters area, so they have, and it's not that expensive, but I will look for you on Amazon if you do not go shop in person in a store this time. So when you're done with that, then you get any ribbon of your choice. I like the burlap, and I made a cute little like a shoelace bow. Not very fluffy. I want it very plain because I want this to be a really cute sign on the wall without anything, like big, because I just did a big bow to my wreath. So when I glued the bow to my pizza pan and now sign, it looked like it was missing something on the middle, of course, for me, as you know. So I took my lace ribbon, I cut a little flower out of it and added to the middle. Then again, digged into my Valentine stash and got some of the heart stickers. And that is all for this project. Of course, you will need to make a little loop in the back and attach to the back of the pizza pan. And guys, pour a lot of glue to it and leave it alone. And voila, we got it. So for this project, you will need a loop yarn, and it is pink, as you can tell, and a heart-shaped frame. And guys, I have a story about this loop yarn. I have it for over almost 12 years because I was into knitting and I was pregnant, so I thought I would be having a girl, but God had a different plan for me. So obviously I had a boy. So now I have ton of yarn that I using for my projects. Anyway, after you done wrap the yarn around the reef form, you all secure it, you fluff it up. So I used my easy bow maker again because I wanted the big bow for this project. And as you could tell, I used two different ribbons, and you can use any ribbons you like, or you can make it as big or as small as you wished as well. So after I attached it to the reform, I also glued a little piece of heart to the middle. You can use any, you can create one, you can use a piece of one of the felt ones or the wooden one, any heart you have. So then I used the styrofoam hearts and again a little felt heart. And I put that kit together because it just coming apart, so I don't want my pieces to fall off my wreath. But anyway, that is all for this project. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you got some inspiration. And if you haven't done it yet, hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure to follow me on my other social media platform for more budget friendly DIYs. But this is all for today. Bye for now.